Greetings, all. Today, I shall teach thee how to obtain an IP address from an email. First, thou must open thy browser of choice. Once opened, go to Gmail and sign in to thy account. Once logged in, open the email from which thou wishest to obtain the IP address. Once email is opened, click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the email. A list of options will appear. Select the option labeled Show Original. A new window will open with the original email message. The IP address will be located at the top of the message. Copy the IP address. After copying the address, open a new tab in thy browser. After it's open, first link. After clicking, a new format will starts open. Once it's open, in the address bar, paste the IP address that thou copied into the text field. Click the Search button. After clicking, scroll down a bit. The website will return the location of the IP address. This includes the country, city, and other information. This is how to obtain an IP address from an email. I hope this information is useful to thee. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.